Hey folks, how you doing today? So this just came out of service and detail. This machine was restored at some particular point in time. I'm not sure when, but it's still in very nice condition. These were extremely popular in the 20s, that they would set these on the bar, and I know it sounds funny, but for a penny, they were making a fortune on these games. This is a coin flip game, which they called a game of skill. First, let me show you in the back. As you see, it's been polished. It's really cool. It has its original chicken wire glass here. They use chicken wire glass because of security purposes. Nobody could just bust it and grab the money. It has its original decal here. I am not sure who exactly manufactured this. I was looking in the books. It's not a Fields, it's not a Fay, but it's a very high quality antique machine. This one has a steel back door, which is really nice, very nice condition, as well as this one actually, which you almost never see, has a coin box in it, as well as it has its anti-cheat. If you see this little weight right here, so if you start to try to bump the game, these red things poke out and don't allow the money to drop in the pocket, which I'll show you in a minute. Very nice anti-cheat, cash box, nice steel door. Okay, so let's go to the playability of the game. So the way that these worked was 1 cent. So you put a penny in here. Now these got 4 jackpots. They made a 3 jacks, a 4 jacks, and a 5 jacks. This happens to be the middle one, which is a 4 jacks. Jackpot, jackpot, jackpot. This is how you win them in here. Right? So you just flip these around, and as you see, there's little pins all through here, little nails from the factory. It is not easy to do, but you can do it. I hit it just the other day while I was checking it out, but you see there's nails kind of just above the pocket, so you got to get it just right. Okay, so as you see, it's an automatic load. These will automatically load as you play the game. If one drops in the pocket, you turn the handle all the way, and you get the jackpot directly below. These were very popular. They were big money makers. People enjoyed playing them. And once again, the anti-cheat, you see when I wiggle this, you see them come out, you see them red things come out. That will not allow it to go in. That way you can't bump your coin around and try to get it in the pocket. They put anti-cheat in most machines because everybody was trying to cheat, as well as even some of the operators. Nice, clean, mid-1920s, 4 jacks, trade stimulator, beautiful oak cabinet, plays well, has anti-cheat in it, has the cash box in it. Super neat game. It's actually a lot of fun to play. These were fun then, and they're fun now. Anyway, if you'd like a nice 5 jacks, please get a hold of us. Jeff will get it wrapped up, boxed up, and out to you. If you order before noon, we'll get it out same day because we never list anything unless it's ready to be shipped. So, nice 4 jacks. Would you play it, Walker?
I think the screen is there because if you couldn't get it in there, they put their fist through it.